everyone, welcome back to the Autocar Mods. This is the 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 RS. A car born in Weissach, tested on the Nürburgring, and now rolling into the streets with one clear message: the soul of motorsport is alive and well. While other manufacturers chase hybrids, EVs, and synthetic soundtracks, Porsche continues to refine its analog masterpiece. The GT3 RS makes no effort to hide its intent. This is not subtle, and it's not meant to be. Up front, we've got a new central radiator layout, replacing the traditional tri-radiator setup. This frees up the side intakes for active aero and brake cooling, improving thermal efficiency during extended track sessions. Inside the 2025 GT3 RS, it's all about minimalism with purpose. Every detail is honed for driving performance. The standard fitment includes carbon fiber bucket seats, lightweight door panels with pull straps, and a roll cage. If you opt for the Weissach package, you get a motorsport-style steering wheel with rotary dials for drive modes and those adjustable suspension and differential settings. Porsche's Track Precision app is integrated into the touchscreen, giving you real-time telemetry, lap timing, and performance analytics. There's no adaptive cruise control, no massage seats, and very little sound. Insulation. Under the hood deck lid, you'll find a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six engine revving to a screaming 9,000 RPM. It's pushing out 525 horsepower, modest on paper, but in the real world? Absolutely savage. 0 to 100 km per hour comes in just 3.2 seconds, thanks to the 7-speed PDK gearbox. And the grip, thanks to the Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 rupees and active suspension, is unreal. Porsche's motorsport-derived chassis tuning means the RS can corner harder and brake later than almost anything else, with a license plate linear, razor-sharp throttle response, and a soundtrack that makes you want to chase the red line again and again. Porsche fitted a double wishbone front suspension setup, derived from motorsport. You can also spec forged magnesium wheels, shaving almost 8 kilograms of unsprung weight, massive gains for track performance. And yes, that titanium roll cage? That's not just for show. It brings motorsport-grade safety and saves even more weight over the steel option. The GT3 RS weighs in around 1,450 kilograms, curb, and every gram has been obsessed over. The real magic of the GT3 RS is how it makes you feel. Every input is immediate. The sound from behind you is raw, mechanical, and absolutely intoxicating. Every shift punches you in the chest. Every apex feels sharper. There's nothing artificial here. No fake engine noises, no torque fill tricks. Just a race-bred machine that rewards commitment and punishes hesitation. If you want a car that stirs the soul and challenges your skill, the 2025 GT3 RS is it. The 2025 GT3 RS isn't the fastest in a straight line. It doesn't have the headline-grabbing hybrid torque of a Ferrari 296 GTB or the mid-engine layout of a McLaren Artura. Porsche has created a car that feels more like a homologated race car than any road car has a right to. It's the distilled essence of what the 911 has always stood for: precision, balance, and character. Thanks for watching. If you liked this review, hit that like button, subscribe for more track-focused machines.